Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Look here, y'all. Get ready, get ready, get ready. I got this here butter flavored oil that I'm gonna toss into this here cast iron skillet because we're definitely about to do something good for you guys. I got some chopped up onions, some chopped up green peppers, and I got an orange green pepper as well, bell pepper that is. And I want to go ahead and saute these babies down. Look, I'm gonna leave the recipe for you in the show more section. The recipe is going to be below. I'm definitely going to post it for you guys. But I want you to cook these veggies until they become tender. Yes, I got a surprise at the end of this video, and I'm telling you, you're going to definitely love it. So I got 1 tablespoon of minced garlic that I'm tossing into this here pan. Some of y'all saying, what in the world is this man about to cook up? You're going to see what I'm going to cook up. Just be patient. But I want you to go ahead and cook these veggies up for a little bit, and then I got some ground chicken. Now, here's the thing I want you to do. Tell me, what am I making right now? What am I making right now? I want you to take this ground chicken and I want you to brown it all up. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm going to talk y'all to death, so you better get your ears together because y'all going to help me with this one. What am I cooking up right now? This is a mystery recipe. Ray Mack, we don't know what you cooking, but we know if you're cooking it, it got to be good. Now, this is what I'm using to season up this here ground beef. I got some salt, I got some black pepper, and I'm tossing in some of this sweet and spicy Uncle Steve Shakes seasoning. Then I got some of this here Texas Cajun seasoning by Uncle Steve Shakes. And then I'm going to toss in some ground paprika. All right, so I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing at this particular point in time. If you ain't got it yet, still hold on. So I want to mix all of this together and then continue to let this here meat cook. But let's go ahead and add in some more ingredients. I got some tomato sauce, which this is about a half that I'm going to add to it, about a half a cup. But I want you to tell me now, what am I making? What am I making? So I got some of this here ketchup, y'all. I just want to take a couple of squirts of ketchup and put it into this here skillet as well. Our next ingredients, I'm going to toss in some brown sugar. Come on, I know somebody already done figured it out already now. Come on, y'all. So I'm taking some brown sugar and I'm tossing it right up here. Yeah, you seen oh my God, that's that Kinder's hot honey. Come on. I'm squeezing in some Kinder's hot honey. Come on, somebody. And then I want to mix all of this stuff up together, and I want this to cook for at least around about a good, give me a good 10 to 12 minutes. Just give me I want it all to cook up real good. You understand what I'm saying? So when it get all nice and thick, what I want to do now is to let you look at these bubbles. What am I cooking, y'all? Somebody said spaghetti. Now you're close, but you ain't that close. Somebody say some hot dog chili. Now you're close, but you're not that close. But here we go, y'all. Look how good it's looking already. This is that meat sauce, and that meat sauce is looking so good right now at this particular point in time. But what are we making, Ray? You got to see this thing. Don't you go nowhere. You got to see this thing. Look how good it looks already. Remember, this is ground up chicken, not ground beef, grilled chicken. Ground up chicken. Now I got me some rolls right here, y'all. And I'm toasting up these rolls. I want them brown and toasty. Some buttery rolls, some brioche rolls. Now you guessed it already. So I'm taking a big hump of that there meat sauce, that chicken meat sauce. Come on, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's some hot honey, chicken sloppy joe. That's what we got, some hot honey, chicken sloppy joe. Then I want to top it off with some pepper jack cheese, just to give it a little kick. Yes, Lord. Then I want to put the crown right on top of it. And I also then fix me some seasoned fries to go with this baby. Look, Ray Mack is cooking up something good. If you don't know, now you know. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this here recipe, and then subscribe to this channel. And also comment below. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Love you guys.